Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be discussing my top 5 fragrances that I wear in the winter. I don't know why. These are just the 5 that I go to. I love them. They are kind of moody smelling. So I'm going to stop yakking and let's go ahead and jump in. The first one I'm going to talk about is a recent purchase. I purchased it in the later end of 2019. It's by Givenchy and it's the Indurate, I think it's pronounced. I'm terrible at pronouncing these names. But this one is so good. It is, like, I could wear this all year round, but I've just been loving this scent because it's kind of lighter and more floral for the winter. I'm going to pull up the notes here. It's a woody floral. The top note is orange blossom, which I do get that. And it has jasmine and tuberose as the middle note. And the base is vetiver and patchouli. Oh, it smells so good. I picked this up at Nordstrom's. I definitely smell the jasmine and the orange and a slight bit of the patchouli, but I really like how this dries down because when you first put it on you get that orange scent and then the sweetness, and the dry down has more of the patchouli but you still get the sweetness with it. It's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Next I have, and I do not have full bottles of a couple of these because they are kind of expensive. The next one I'm going to talk about is by Kilian. It's the Back to Black, and this is one of the little sample sizes that I ordered from Scent Split. Oh God, this one smells so good. The top notes are bergamot, cardamom, nutmeg, chamomile, coriander, and raspberry. The middle notes, you have your cedarwood, patchouli, oak moss, vetiver, olibanum, honey accord, and the base is amber, cistus, lamdam, and vanilla almond. Vanilla and almond. This has a lot of going on when you read the notes, but it is just a warm, sexy scent. I want a large bottle of this. This is probably one of my favorite fragrances ever. Oh, so good. You can order this online at Sephora and like Saks or Neiman's, things like that. Next up, I have one from Balenciaga, and I think it's just Balenciaga is what it's called. So let me get in here. Okay, found it. Yep, it's just called Balenciaga. I originally ordered this one from Sephora, but it's no longer on Sephora's website. So I'm gonna pull this up here. Okay. So this is this one. This one has been probably one of my favorite winter scents since I purchased this about, I think 3 years ago. You could wear this in the spring or summer, but it's a little bit heavier of a fragrance. It just smells so clean. So the scents on this one, it says it's a violet with an airy blossom and delicate peppery notes. I definitely smell the peppery and the violet, and it is a very, at least on my skin, a very long-lasting fragrance. I've worn this, and when I've walked out of a room, it kind of leaves like a scent trail, and people ask me what I'm wearing. This is one of my most complimented fragrances that I do wear, and I don't smell it a lot when I'm out and about in the world. I've never smelled this on somebody else. A good one. Absolutely love this. So I'm down to 2. The Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. Absolutely love. Okay. The Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. Of course, it smells like tobacco and vanilla. It's very warm. It's a warm and kind of spicy. It's got spice to it. The scent on here is tobacco leaf, ginger, and cacao. So the tobacco gives you definitely smell that. It smells like the ginger and cacao together kind of smell vanilla to me, but actually looking at the notes, I can kind of see the chocolateiness. But that ginger gives it that spice, that punch, and I think tobacco is one of my favorite scents in a perfume or a cologne. That and jasmine I love, and oud. Oh my gosh, do I love oud. Almost anything with oud I love. So this one you can pick up at like a, let's see, Nordstrom, Saks, Neiman's, Sephora. Anywhere they sell Tom Ford, you can pretty much find this one. And the last one that I have is, it's so hard to tell like which one is actually like my favorite because these are all interchangeable to me. So Oud of Greatness, this is another one that I picked up from that scent split. It's by Inicio Perfumes. This one is one I would only wear in the winter time. It packs a punch. Like, one spray is all you need. It's very, very strong. It has that great oudy scent, but I'm gonna read to you because oud is kind of hard to describe for me. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Not everybody likes oud. Oud, I think, is one of those things you either love it or you hate it. So Oud of Greatness opens with a calming yet aromatic note of lavender, saffron, and nutmeg before trailing into a heart of oud wood and natural wood oil. Patchouli and musk ensures the mesmerizing base. So I don't get any lavender when I smell this. I definitely get the oud. The nutmeg gives it that spice, and the patchouli and musk, but I don't get the lavender or saffron. Oh, it is amazing. So those are my top 5 winter smells. If you were to run into me out and about in the world, I would be wearing one of these 5 right now, because these are just the ones that I go to. The Back to Black I kind of use sparingly now. The Oud of Greatness I wear more frequently because I only need one spray and I'm good. The Tobacco Fini I wear quite a bit because I've had samples of this given to me from Nordstrom's. This one I wear frequently, and this one I wear a lot, even though it looks like I haven't put a dent in it. But on days that I want to feel more light and breezy and airy, this is what I wear. So if you guys have tried any of those 5 that I've spoken about, leave comments down below about which one you like best, or if you have, which one you didn't like. I feel like if anybody had smelled all 5 of these, I think the one that would be more on the bottom end would be the Oud of Greatness, because oud, like I said, is not everybody likes. But that is it for today's video. Go ahead and subscribe. There's a button right down below. It really would help my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.